It's a cold and frosty morning here in BEYTEK land. We're taking the RX7 to the no prep. Aye. Good morning everybody. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, the old raft is on the trailer, hooked up to the old beastie daily, and we're going to be heading to CRAIL Raceway. Temperature just now is 3 degrees. It's not frosty, but it's very, very cold. So it's going to have a bit of fun today. We're just going to be testing some bits and bobs. No records today, just because it's so cold, but be interested to test the new suspension and some cool things I've done with the ECU.
Say I'm good-hearted, but I'm just getting started. Got my eyes on the target. No, no. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come. To give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
So we've made it! CRAIL Raceway! Well, we're at CRAIL first, we have to get through the village. We'll be out with our pitchforks. We've got a car in the back. We're gonna make all that noise. So we've made it! Very first one here. But we've got a couple of things to fix in the car. I noticed there's a bottom radiator pipe was a bit leaky, so underneath here, that one down there, wee bit, you can see a wee sploosh there, so need to sort that. And yeah, get ready for the day. I'm actually already cold, but hopefully the weather stays like this. Cloudy's fine. CRAIL's normally a wee bit windy, which keeps the track dry. This is what we're racing on. It's like, you know, it's not even, you can't even really call it asphalt. You can't get any rubber on it. Rubber doesn't stick to it. So it's all good fun. There's Andy's car there. Little beast. Oh, that thing's gonna be a serious toy. So here now, been doing some preliminary runs and the thing's hooking quite well. Suspension's working great. So yeah, I've done some runs up here and I'm away on the strip to see how it does. I've not done any high speed stuff yet. It does wander around a bit, but we'll give it a try and hopefully it doesn't break in the first pass. So we're getting there. We're not having a very good day, to be honest with you. It launches really good, but it just spins the wheels up, even with 140 kilograms of sandbags in the back. So just try to soften up the launch as much as possible. And I got clutch slip in 5th gear that last pull, so I just had to get out it. I got out it in the 8th, and I still done 11.4, so that would have probably been the 10-second pass I was after. So I just need to learn to launch softer, I think. I'm maybe hitting it too hard, so we're getting there though. So that last thing through a belt, and the clutch is definitely slipping. Making too much power for the fucking gearbox. So not sure what we're going to do here. I've got a chance, I've got firmware which I'm going to update. I think it's got higher clutch pressures, so I'm going to give that a wee blast. So it's Hippo manage for this. Give one last blast, and then we'll probably hit me. So there she is. Not a lot of filming from me today, but been having fun driving it. It's a shame because it's really started really moving. Got an 11.1 on one of the passes, which is really good. And that was one I let off at 1,000 foot because I was slipping the clutches. So I'm a bit annoyed that I didn't get a proper full pass. And obviously you've seen there the alternator belt come flying out, and I don't have another one, so that's me stuck for the day, unfortunately. No smoke, no poke. This will be a good race. Here we go. My clutch. Oh my god. there we have it. Unsuccessful runs, but nonetheless I actually did beat my fastest time ever. So I got 1.1 there and a 1.1 there. Sorry, 11.1 there and 11.1 there. But down in mile an hour because I'm letting off around about 1,000 foot because 5th gear starts slipping and it opens the clutches. So should be up way over 140, maybe 150 mile an hour. The boost I'm running, so these would have been 10-second passes. And my 60 foot is down to 2.0, so yeah, quite good 60 foots are down, but I'm not sure if the sandbags, I've got 140 kilograms of sand in the back there, I'm not sure if it's worth carrying that weight to offset the times. I mean, yeah, don't get me wrong, the 8th mile is faster, so it's maybe an offset of CRAIL where I'm going to need to run something heavier in the back. I wish I actually tried the wets because that would have been interesting to see if they had any more grip, but alternator belt come flying off, as you can see down there. There's not one, so we'll need to come up with a revised version. And I think potentially just make a short tail, like it's a short belt, and use the alternator to tension it or something like that. So, but yeah, nonetheless, thank you for coming along and watching the video. It's not that much of a break, but it is a break, I suppose. Next time I'm going to order and take a million different alternator belts and stuff to see if I can just keep going and going and going until I get nailed. But yeah, we're up at minus, so I'm leaving at minus 10 degrees timing to try and stop wheel spin, which is still spinning. So I'm thinking maybe what I'm going to have to do is go smaller wastegate spring, maybe like a 0.3 bar spring, just to try and get launching, because even at 0.4, 0.5 spins the wheels. So it's making some decent power even at that, but we'll get there. But yeah, back on the trailer, drove the thing back on again, and camera's just pumping up the tyre here. Go pump it up, you got to pump it up, and yeah, well, from us anyway, thanks for coming along, and as per always, we'll catch you in the next vid. Cheers.